Okay guys, welcome back. Once again, I'm gonna try something different now. I'm gonna try in my own car, the Seat. I'm gonna try to fade in from one chameleon to another, which I've been speaking to my suppliers and also other car painters, and they say it's impossible on a plastic to fade in from one chameleon to another. So I'll be using 5-6 different chameleons on one car. If it does work, it's gonna look absolutely amazing because it's gonna have too many different colors. But if it does go wrong, it's gonna look absolutely horrible. So I'm gonna attempt it, I'm gonna try it. Let's jump right into it. Okay guys, I've done the car. I actually faded from one chameleon to another chameleon, which every paint and every supplier said is impossible unless they're very similar chameleons. But I've done it. I used the chameleon Galaxy color shift, the Cosmic Crush color shift, and the Omicron color shift, chameleon RL 71 and Hyper Shift ZTN. So I started with the similar chameleons, then I went from Chameleon RL71 to Hypershift ZTN, which is completely different color, and that faded looks brilliant. So I will show you guys inside. So imagine if you used two Hypershifts, the Hypershift ZTN or Hypershift ZTS, fading from one to another, half a car each color. You look completely mad, it will be completely different. So that's it, guys. I will show you the car inside. I will not be removing the masking tape or anything whatsoever, because I've got different plans for the car. I'm doing a brand new video for the New Year's, something very unique, which I'll be attempting for the first time. So, and I'm very short on time, so I will not demask the car right now to show you guys. I will just show you the car inside the spray wood, and that's it, guys. And so make sure to subscribe, turn the notifications on, because in the New Year's will be a brand new video, something very different that I've never done before. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you on the next video.